This is my honest review of CourseReel. Hi there, I'm Victor. If you enjoy this video, please click on the like button. To say hello or ask questions to me, please do so in the comment section below, and also please subscribe to my channel. This is my review of CourseReel from the vendor Abhi Dwivedi. In this review, we'll look at the sales page. I'll take you in and show you the software in a short demo, and I'll conclude with my recommendation and why. CourseReel says that it is a cloud-based video course creation app that turns your voice, old videos, or even text into a proper video with slides, text, design, voiceovers, sync, and more, automatically added and ready to customize in minutes. It says that it's for anyone who wants to make money online by creating video courses or to create videos that you can use to build email lists and everything else. So on the sales page here, it talks about here's how we're creating tons of video courses and video content up to 20x as fast as the competition just by speaking with our voice. Get instant access to this amazing cloud-based tool today, and you could have your very own profitable video course ready to go by dinner tonight. Okay, this is a sales page after all, right? So no surprise, it says that it's 100% newbie proof. Really? That's awesome. And then it talks about how it's great for everybody. Here they're saying they've made a lot of money selling video courses since April and built a responsive list of over 5,400 email subscribers. That's nice. Over and over, they're talking about how you can make a lot of money by creating video courses. So the focus is over and over, you can make video courses with this software online. And these are all just different places that make money with video courses and people that use videos to make money. So that means I can make a video course using this software, right? And it should be easy, right? Look. And then it says, oh, it can be hard work to do it. Here we have create money making video courses just by talking or repurposing others' old. I'm thinking it was supposed to say content legally, but it says contest. And here's all the stuff that says how it's hard to do different things. And here we are, legally create courses from videos you don't even own. I would be very careful with that kind of a thinking, honestly. As I look through this sales page and everything, I keep feeling like I should be able to use their stuff and really quick in a really cool way to be able to generate videos and then make courses out of them and then be able to turn around and make a profit doing that. I'm going to take you into the demo, and I want to warn you against this product. This is a great example of a shiny object. There's a lot of cool things that it talks about being able to do and everything, but when it gets right down to it, there's a lot more on you than you realize, because it seems like the sales page makes it think that there's a lot on them. So looking at the sales page, I feel like I'm supposed to be able to create video courses really easy and fast. Even the name of the product is called CourseReel, as if, you know, somehow it's supposed to create courses for me easily. And that's what the sales page seems to suggest. Let's go on into the software. So I actually purchased this because I wanted to give it a good try. It's a shiny object, and I like shiny objects, and I like cool stuff with video and everything. And I actually went and I created a project. You can actually type stuff here. Now I'm putting in paragraph marks so that the script knows that I want a different slide. Okay, let's just go with that, and I'm going to say create. And so what's supposed to happen is each of those lines is supposed to be the text here. Oh, here we go. So I clicked on it. It says this is a test. Okay, that's not terrible. I mean, it put some stuff together, and I said, how cool are cars? And I mean, that is kind of neat that it found a video with some cars, right? And then I like dogs, and that's cool. I mean, it's someone walking dogs. That's not terrible, I mean, really. Okay, and some of the things are going to be just blanks. It looks like that's what they have for both of these. And I've tried this before with, like, I like airplanes or stuff like that, and there was a plane video that was found. So I mean, that side of it's kind of neat. But let's say that I'm happy with this. They do have some like audio things you can throw in here, but this interface is kind of clunkety. It doesn't always work. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Being able to change the size of these is easy, but there's supposed to be a bar over here that makes it so you can fit everything or zoom in and out of the timeline kind of a thing. It was off to the side, and so I'm guessing this is supposed to zoom in and out. It doesn't seem to work. And you can drag and drop some audio stuff they have. So I can bring it down here and drop it there. And so if I'm happy, let's say that I'm happy, I'm going to say save and click on render. Now I paid extra for priority rendering and priority support. Well, I spent over 2 hours trying to get this to work. This says downloading resources for what I just created just now. Well, this has been saying downloading resources and downloading resources for quite a while. And these are just short little video things, kind of like the one I just tried to do. And in their training, which is very simple, it says that, you know, if it doesn't render fast enough, or if you don't see any changes, that you can refresh the page. And that way, you know, just in case, you know. So I'm going to click dashboard. The dashboard here says that you can upload video or audio. I uploaded an MP4 and it extracted the audio content and transcribed it. I mean, that worked. So I guess ultimately, functionality wise, it works. It can take a script and automatically find some different videos and stuff to put into stuff, and it did that. We saw it do that. And you can actually go into these and you can add other media content. There are images and video clips you can find. I think it's funny that when I type in line, it finds sea lions and stuff instead of, like, you know, a roaring lion, which is kind of funny, I think. So it's easy to add stuff. That's a doable thing. And you can change the font and everything. So it does what it says that it can do. But when I'm going through the sales page and everything, there's a few things that I'm thinking. But the thing that kind of has my attention right now is that I created some of these hours ago and I said render and I paid extra. I say I paid extra. I mean, for the front end plus the OTO1 for the upgrade that's supposed to have priority rendering and everything, you'd think that it would take less than an hour to render something that is less than a minute, but that has not been the case. And so I'll reach out to them and everything, but I can tell you that I've dealt with the vendor before, and this is why I'm saying it's a shiny object. The way that the support has worked in the past is what I would almost have to say is delay tactics. And so it makes you feel like, oh, this is so swamped, they're so busy, and you know, with COVID and everything else, which has been going on for months and months, and they've had the same immediate response for months and months, by the way, that basically, oh, they don't have a lot of staff and the virus, this and that, and basically, you know, wait and hopefully someone will get to you. Well, that's understandable, but if you're paying extra for better support, then you'd expect better support, right? But I'm just saying all of this not to poo-poo things, but just as a reality check. If you expect you're going to get immediate support just because they say so, or you paid extra for it, don't be surprised if that's not what happens. I would show you what a great video is that it creates. The interface basically does what it says it's going to do. Does it create a course for me automatically? No. Even though all of the advertisement seems to say it's going to create a course for you, really, if you look at the words, the advertisement's saying that it creates the videos from your audio or from your speech or from a script typing something in, and it automatically puts some stuff together, and then you can render it. It says, that's what it says it does, and it looks like it's going to do it, but it still hasn't done it for hours. So I have no idea whether or not it really will make a video. All I know is that I'm out over, a good amount of money, and I would just say, I would warn you, it's not going to create courses for you. It's going to create videos. And if you want to use the courses for videos, that's up to you. Their sales page makes it sound like you're going to make a bunch of money by creating video courses, and even quick. You can even go tonight and go eat somewhere while you're making money already. That's what the sales page presents to me, but that's not what I get. So in my opinion, the sales page makes me think I can easily make course videos fast using the videos or audio, or just record my own speech and then turn around and use them to make a profit from generating sales or leads and training courses for sale. But I'm still showing you my screen, and it still hasn't created any videos. I'm going to refresh the page, see if that does anything. Nope, still waiting. This is not working very well at all. No matter what browser I used, I wasted over 2 hours trying to get the program to work, and I purchased the upgraded version with better support and priority rendering and everything. But that's on me, right? Maybe not. Anyway, the question is do you want that on you? I would say maybe no. It's cool that it can pull some stuff together based on audio and do the text from the audio and also use your script. All of that's great, but if it can't actually produce the videos on the end, then it's really not worth anything here. Not the time and effort you're going to have to spend. And I don't know if I'll ever get any videos from this. We'll see. Now, the other things that I want to share are, the training is simple, it's minimal, but ultimately it does what it says it will do. I am left feeling like it was supposed to do a lot more and easier and without any problems. The support is not what they said it would be. It looks like the same support I've seen in the previous shiny objects that I admit that I've purchased from the vendor before. Maybe this will be the lesson I learn from, right? And maybe this can be the lesson you learn from without having to learn the lesson. Maybe you can learn from me. They are great at selling me a dream of what I think they are saying the software will do. Like, if I buy this, I'll be able to easily create video courses. But that is not what I'm seeing happen here. I can create videos, yes. Can I use them for courses? That's up to me, but I don't see any way that's simple for me to create a video course, and none of their training trains me how to create video courses either, by the way. The training shows me how to use the software and create a video, and I can go to a webinar, and I can buy all kinds of other products that they have. But I didn't want to buy a bunch of products. I thought this product was going to be able to do all that, but it doesn't seem like that's the case. And so the support is not what they said it would be. I was sold a dream and I bought it. I didn't really want to try and buy just a dream. I do not recommend this product at all. It looks like a great example of a shiny object. I wasted a lot of time and dollars already here, and I hope to stop anyone else from doing the same without any warnings, at least, right? They do say there is 100% protected by CourseReel's risk-free money-back guarantee. That's a quote from their sales page. But I can tell you that in the past, whenever I've tried to get my money back from this vendor, it was like pulling teeth. You can take that with a grain of salt. I don't even recommend trying this out and then getting your money back, because I can't say I believe that you will easily be able to get it back. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this a 1 and a warning, just warning. I don't know a better way to say that. For some training that I do believe in and trust, that could actually help you with any online business or marketing, click on my link or go to 𝐸2AnyDoor.com. I hope this helps someone out there. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.